When you have so many peaches from your peach tree, one good thing to do is make peach tea. So I boil my peaches with the skin on. We have small peaches. Get my containers ready, and here we go. Also in another pot, I add hot water in my tea bags to make the tea. I use 8 cups of water and 8 of the tea bags. I use decaf tea. And once it was done, I just removed that and back to my peach tea or peaches. I'm trying to get them very soft, and to get those juices out, I just added enough water to cover, and I boiled until they got really soft. Then I use, you don't really need to use this, but I use this immersion thing to kind of puree it, just trying to make them smaller. And then after this, I'm going to strain it. And then what I'll have left is like the pulp of the peaches, which looks like applesauce. And then the rest of it is the peach juice that I will be adding to the tea that I just made. I added about 2 cups of sugar to the tea. See, that's what I had left after it's strained. That's great to put in your tea as well. Then that's my liquid of the peaches. And then that I just poured into that's just what I have left. I'm going to pour that into the tea that I just made, and it's still hot. And just stir it well. And that's basically it. That's my peach tea. It tastes pretty good. But like I said before, the pulp part that you saw, you can add a tablespoon or 2 to your cup and add it. And it just gives it a little bit more of a thickness to it. This is all what I had behind. I sliced up some peaches and some lemons to put into the containers of the tea. And there you have it. Peach tea. It's very tasty and it tastes like peach. That's one way to get rid of the peaches, not let them go bad. Thanks for watching.